Hello Glammers, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell for more upcoming future videos. Due to the pandemic we are facing, always remember to be safe while in public, cover your hands, wash your hands often, and sanitize as well. Remember, stay healthy. I love you all. I went online looking for a tall lamp, and I came across these beautiful arch claw lamps that I would like to share with you how I create my very own. If you would like to find out how I created my very own arch lamp, just continue watching. We'll be starting off with 3 2-liter bottles that I already have rinsed and washed, and remove the labels. To remove the label residue, just simply use alcohol and warm water. Next, I'll use my X-Acto knife and I'll cut a slit, and then I'll use my scissors to create an even cut going around. And don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms for upcoming DIYs and giveaways. Next, I'll use my hot burning tool to cut around the pouring tip. Once I was done with all 3, I'll use a mirror reflective dessert bowl and I'll glue it on top using my strongest adhesive glue. The remainder of the project, I'll be using my strongest glue sticks. Once I was done with all 3, I'll be using gem sheets and I'll be cutting them into strips of 5 rolls. And these are so easy to apply, just peel and stick, and they are very strong so it will hold very well. Next, I'll be gluing in between the spaces 4 different styles of large gems. Once I was done, I'll use my hot tool and I'll make a hole on all 3 on top. I'll be using this metallic silver double twist rope and I'll cut it into 5 inches and I'll tie the knot on one end and slide the other end through the hole. I'll be using 2 rolls of Kraft paper rolls, and I left the plastic on because it makes them very strong and sturdy. And this is what I'll be using to create my pole. Next, I'll be using 2 33 inches metal rods that I had left from a previous project, and simply I'll just connect the rolls and insert the rods inside and glue them in place. And also I took measurements of where I want to stop. I will have a complete list of all items used in the description bar below. Next, I'll be using a 10-inch plastic bowl from Dollar Tree, and I'll use my pole to put it on top and take my measurements by drawing a circle, and then I'll cut it out using my hot tool. I'll be using 4 small craft sticks and I'll glue them on one end of the pole with spaces in between. I'll be using 2 small size hula hoops, and it's very easy to peel off the wrapper. Just peel and pull. And don't forget to pour out the pebbles from inside. I'll be taking my measurements and I'll be cutting 3. This will also depend on how long you want the claws to hang. So I was done, I'll take them to a well ventilated area and spray paint them metallic silver. Here I'm just setting them on a styrofoam to make it easier for spray painting. I pre-cut 2 10-inch round cardboards and I glue them together. So I was done, I'll place my pole in the center and draw a circle around it. Next, I grabbed 3 small bricks from my backyard and I'll be using my strongest adhesive and hot glue and I'll be gluing them around the circle. And this will add for support. As it was dry, I placed my pole in the center and I also rolled up some cardboard and added for more support. I had a little accident. I went to slide down the pole and it cracked in place. So I'll be using a lid and I just cut a circle and a slit in the back and I'll be gluing it in place and then I'll be spray painting metallic silver. Next, I'll be using a 5-inch round styrofoam ball and I trace the center by using the pole and then I'll dig out the center using my X-Acto knife and I'll leave about 2 inches deep. I'll be using Elmer's glue, a sponge brush, and a bowl, and I'll pour the Elmer's glue inside the bowl, and then I'll use a craft stick to stick it in the center of the styrofoam ball, and I'll start applying my Elmer's glue all over the ball. This will act for a shield when it's time to spray paint. Also be using 3 small styrofoam balls, and I'll repeat the same steps with the Elmer's glue, and I'll stick them in a square styrofoam to hold them in place, getting ready to spray paint them metallic silver. Next, I'll be using non-adhesive foil mirror reflection paper, and these sheets are very easy to use. Just simply cut them to size, wrap them around the pole, and glue them from the back. Once I was done, I took my 5-inch styrofoam ball, added a painter's stick in the center for balancing, and then I added hot glue on top of the pole and placed the ball right on top and pushed it down for better hold. Next, I will take my 3 cut hoops and I'll start placing them on top on the center by using hot glue, and I'll place them in 3 different directions. I will also take my 3 small styrofoam balls and I'll glue them on the tips of each hoop. Next, I'll be using 3 remote control LED touch lights, and these change into 4 different colors. I pre-cut 3 round foam boards, and I'll be using these to glue the touch lights on, and I cut them to the size of each touch light, and then I'll take them and glue them inside each lantern. Also glued on 3 cup hooks to my small styrofoam balls to hang my lanterns. Also glued on a design to my 5-inch styrofoam ball. And here's the finished look. I really do love the way this arch lamp turned out, and it stands 6 feet tall. This arch lamp will be beautiful behind any side tables or sofas. I really do love the lighting that it brings, and it's amazing how you could take items from your Dollar Tree store and turn them into a Glam unique piece. Total cost for this DIY was only $15 with supplies already on hand. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY video as much as I enjoy making it. Now don't forget, I post new DIY videos every week. Like and share with family and friends, and subscribe if you haven't. Comment if you wish. Turn on your notification bells for more upcoming future videos. Please stay strong, safe, and healthy, and I'll see you real soon.